Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will take a look at this breakdown of this $21,900 support level. And at the same time, Bitcoin has also broken down the support of this smaller down channel as well that has been formed on this 4-hour time frame chart. And we will analyze whether is there any possibility that Bitcoin may re-enter the same channel or break out this same channel that has been broken down recently. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with this daily time frame chart. And here we can see that Bitcoin was moving inside this down channel since after March 2022, and recently we have broken out this resistance of the down channel. And I was telling you that there are two probabilities, because at the same time Bitcoin has also broken out a ascending triangle as well. And here we had the resistance, support of this triangle, and this was the resistance, the same resistance of $21,900 was also breaking at the resistance of the triangle as well. And you can see here for a few days we have a move above this $21,900 resistance, and also the resistance of this ascending triangle, but again re-entered the same triangle, and we are very close to test the support, this uptrend line support of the same triangle. And now if Bitcoin breaks down this support, then it can also test the support of this down channel as well, that is almost at the same level where we have this next very strong support of $19,500. And on the weekly time frame chart, we can see that this $19,500 has been breaking as a strong resistance back in November 2020, and very strong resistance back in 2017 as well, in December 2017, when we had our previous high of $19,500, very close to $20,000. And now I would like to show you on the 4-hour time frame. Then here I was showing you in my last video that Bitcoin has formed a down channel, like previously it formed a down channel here. This was more visible on the hourly time frame chart, and you can see on the 4-hour time frame chart this recent channel is very visible, and we have broken down the support. Now if we take a look at the target for this breakdown, after this breakdown, the target can be here, that is approximately $20,000, and so far Bitcoin has dropped up to $20,800. But if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then still stochastic is not able to form lower than previous low. Here you can see that we have formed this low here, and the next low is higher than previous one. And if we take a look at the Bitcoin move, then here we have this low, and the next low Bitcoin is forming lower than previous. So you can see that the stochastic is moving in the opposite direction of the Bitcoin. Therefore still there is a probability that the price line may re-enter the channel, because we have this bullish divergence on this chart. And for example, if stochastic moves more down and forms another lower than previous, so it is possible that if we will have a strong sell-off, then the stochastic also move more down and form another lower than previous low, and this low will be formed lower than this one. Then there will be a possibility that this bullish divergence will be removed from this chart, and Bitcoin will move more down to hit the target of $20,000, or maybe it will test the support of $19,500. So we still have a support of this uptrend line. Therefore still the next few hours or days can be really very important. We may have a sideways move here, and maybe we will make another attempt to break out this resistance of $21,900, because still we have on the smaller time frame this bullish divergence that is in play, and that can play a very important role for a price reversal from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.